figure of Imshow, is too small. I'm trying to visualize a number pi array using Imshow, since it's similar to ImageEsque, in MATLAB. The resulting figure is very small at the center of the gray window, while most of the space is unoccupied. How can I set the parameters to make the figure larger? I tried figsize sadface xxxx, and it's not what I want. Thanks.
That's strange, it definitely works for me. I am using the macOS backend, by the way.
I'm new to Python too. Here is something that looks like will do what you want to. I believe this decides the size of the canvas.
If you don't give an aspect argument to Imshow, it will use the value for image.aspect in your matplotlib. The default for this value in a new matplotlib is equal. So Imshow will plot your array with equal aspect ratio. If you don't need an equal aspect, you can set aspect to auto, which gives the following figure. If you want an equal aspect ratio, you have to adapt your figsize according to the aspect, which gives you
Update 2020. As requested by @backs, here is an update because random.rand is deprecated meanwhile. This works with matplotlib 3.2.1. This plots. To change the random number, you can experiment with np.random.normal 0, 1, 890, here mean equals 0, standard deviation equals 1.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.